Welcome back to Next Car Lunch, everyone. Before you think this is just another giant American pickup, wait until you hear what ownership could really cost. The 2027 Ram 2500 could offer massive capability, serious durability, and strong long-term value, but there's one expense buyers often forget until after they sign the papers: insurance. So today, right after our hook, we are starting there and then breaking down whether this heavy-duty Ram is actually worth your money. Insurance is one of the first costs you should calculate before buying a Ram 2500. Because this is a large, powerful heavy-duty pickup, insurance can be higher than a smaller Ram 1500 or mid-size truck. In the United States, a rough estimate could be around $1,800 to $3,500 per year for many drivers. But the real number depends on your state, age, driving record, coverage level, credit-based insurance factors where permitted, and whether the truck is used commercially. A business owner using the Ram for deliveries, construction, towing, or logistics could pay considerably more. The good news is that comparing multiple insurance companies and choosing the right coverage can make a major difference to your yearly ownership budget. Now let's talk about why people are willing to pay those costs. The 2027 Ram 2500 is expected to remain a serious heavy-duty American pickup designed for towing, hauling, commercial work, and demanding daily use. This is the kind of truck that makes sense when your vehicle needs to do more than simply take you from home to the office. Under the hood, buyers should expect powerful gasoline and diesel options depending on the final 2027 lineup. Fuel economy will never be the main reason to buy a truck this size, so realistic expectations are important. A gasoline version could average roughly 10 to 15 miles per gallon in mixed driving, while a diesel version could potentially deliver around 15 to 20 miles per gallon depending on load, traffic, tires, weather, and driving style. When towing a heavy trailer, mileage can fall significantly. There is also no major hybrid or full electric fuel-saving advantage expected to be the main story here. So if your priority is maximum fuel savings, a smaller pickup or electrified vehicle may make more financial sense. But if you regularly tow or carry heavy loads, the Ram 2500 can save money indirectly by doing work that smaller vehicles simply cannot handle efficiently. Maintenance is another important part of the ownership calculation. Oil changes, filters, tires, brakes, suspension components, and other heavy-duty parts can cost more than they would on a normal passenger vehicle. Diesel versions can also bring additional service requirements. However, in America, Ram trucks benefit from a large dealer network and a strong aftermarket parts supply. Common service parts should generally be easier to find than parts for many imported heavy-duty pickups. Long-term ownership depends heavily on how you use the truck. If you are a contractor, landscaper, farmer, transporter, or small business owner, the Ram 2500 can potentially earn its keep because its capability directly supports your work. For someone who mostly drives 10 miles to the office every day, the fuel and maintenance costs may be difficult to justify. On American roads, the Ram 2500 feels most comfortable where there is plenty of space. Wide highways, rural roads, towing lanes, and open commercial areas are where this truck makes the most sense. In crowded city streets and narrow parking areas, its size becomes something you must manage carefully. You will need extra attention around tight corners, older parking garages, and narrow streets. On the highway, however, the heavy-duty design can provide a stable and confident feeling. Long-distance drivers will appreciate the large cabin, comfortable seating, and strong road presence. For carrying equipment, tools, cargo, or a trailer, the Ram 2500 is designed to be a working vehicle first and a lifestyle vehicle second. For estimated pricing, a 2027 Ram 2500 could start around $55,000 in the United States, with higher trims and options potentially pushing the price above $80,000. In Japan, an imported example could realistically reach around 10 to 15 million yen or more after shipping, taxes, registration, and specifications. In other American export markets, including parts of the Middle East, the final price could roughly land between $65,000 and $100,000 or more depending on local taxes and dealer costs. These are estimates because official 2027 pricing and market-specific costs can change. For value, one major competitor is the Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Both offer serious capability, but your final decision should come down to purchase price, fuel costs, insurance quotes, dealer support, and the type of work you actually do. The cheapest truck on paper is not always the cheapest truck to own. Resale value is another reason to consider a heavy-duty pickup. A clean Ram 2500 with good maintenance records, desirable equipment, and reasonable mileage can remain attractive in the used market. However, depreciation is still significant, especially on expensive trims and heavily optioned trucks. Keeping service records and avoiding unnecessary modifications can help protect resale value. So, the 2027 Ram 2500 is not a truck for everyone. But for buyers who genuinely need heavy-duty capability, commercial usability, towing strength, highway stability, and long-term durability, it could be one of the more practical American workhorses to consider. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest pickup reviews, pricing updates, and future American vehicle news.